deep fried batter or Ojiah. It's very good, yummy breakfast item. Let's see the ingredients. Our ingredients, we have batter left over from previous recipe, which is all-purpose flour, 1 cup, half a cup Cinderella, salt and butter, and baking soda. We have 1 diced onion and 4 ounces chopped parsley and 2 eggs and salt and pepper. It's very simple. We're gonna add the pepper, extra peppers, some salt, and we will put our onion and parsley. For our recipe, we're gonna deep fry it. Gonna mix everything. It will be yummy, green, full of colors. I will post for this recipe. I'm gonna post with the video all the ingredients in details in order for anybody to try it, and they're gonna love it. These are Ojiah. Now we're tasting the Ojiah. Very nice. The onion just al dente with the parsley. Enjoy your meal. Chef Asak. Have a nice meal. Bye bye.